Yo, what's up? What do we got here? What is this crazy contraption we got going on? Yo, what's up? We're back on the channel and we just finished installing the K member. Now we still got a little bit left. We're gonna show you where we're at and what this crazy contraption is behind us. So let's take a look. So we're back at it. We got this crazy contraption. I got it Harbor Freight. I guess it's an engine holder tool. We got it chained up around the headers to hold the motor up while we change the K member. And this is what it's looking like. You could kind of see in there we got the spacer for the joint that they gave us. We got the rack on, the motor mounts are tightened up, all the bolts are tightened up. We got it as straight as we could get it for now. It wasn't actually too bad installing it. So kind of down low look of it. We're gonna work next on the control arms and springs. This is the BMR premium K member. I'm digging it. The fitment is pretty good. We got the old K member out, sitting back here. Old K member, factory K member. So dropped a couple pounds. Not as much as like a UPR or a QA1, because this premium BMR K member is a little bit beefier, almost like the Maxim Motorsports. So you can see K member, the K member's in. We got this tool from Harbor Freight, the engine hoist stand holder, and I'm going to be using it again for a couple more K member installs. So you can see I just kind of had it wrapped around the headers right now. You either tighten this to pull it up or loosen it to let it back down. So we're loosening it to let it back down because the K member's in. Now we got to work on the A-arms, the springs, and the spindles and brakes. And then the front end will be buttoned up after that. And then I got it over here. Got this all in from LMR. I just figured it was the easiest. So we did the rear end cover, and we got, this is the fuel filter we used, the K&N fuel filter we got on there. And we just got this simple gear oil change from LMR. I couldn't, they don't have this friction modifier at AutoZone, so I just figured it was just simple enough to easy and order this gear oil change from them with the fuel filter. So we got 75W140. That's what we're running in the rear end with the fluid, with the friction modifier. We got that all buttoned up. So it's coming together here. And this tool is pretty handy, man. Otherwise, if you didn't have this tool, I guess since he has the strut bar, you know, you could have changed it to a strut bar or used the jack under the oil pan. You use the jack down here. So the BMR K member is in, the steering rack is on with the new bolts. Probably could use some new bushings in the future. Steering rack bushings and maybe motor mounts. But this is what the underneath is looking like. With the BMR K member installed. With the Vortec supercharger we installed. And we're still waiting on the fuel tank. So here in a few seconds, we're gonna get back to it and start installing all this stuff. So till then, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and you know what to do till that next video. Peace.